Since the last 1 year, LEU stock has gained 95%. It is up 21.7% in the pre-market session of today, the 23rd of May 2025. And you may have heard that the US president has always signed an executive order to boost electricity production. Yeah, and stocks like LEU and Oklo are on the move. But if you didn't know what LEU does. It's a supplier of nuclear fuel components for the nuclear power industry. Its segments include low-enriched uranium and technical solutions. Its low enrichment or low enriched uranium segment supplies various components of nuclear fuel to commercial customers from its global network of suppliers. The LEU segment consists of two components, SWU and natural uranium hexafluoride. It supplies LEU and its components to both domestic and international utilities for use in nuclear reactors worldwide. It provides LEU from multiple sources, including its inventory, medium and long-term supply contracts, and spot purchases. It also sells natural uranium hexafluoride and occasionally sells uranium concentrates. The technical solutions segment provides advanced engineering, design, and manufacturing services to government and private sector customers. It is deploying uranium enrichment and other capabilities necessary to produce advanced nuclear fuel to power existing reactors around the world. So yes, there's a good chance it may be profitable. I think there's a good chance it may be. Let's see. Let's see whether we can find some of its earnings. Market cap is $1.6 billion. Now let's see whether we can find anything in terms of its earnings disclosure. We can see whether we can find here on Trading View on Thinkorswim. But okay, well we'll leave it. We don't have anything yet in that regard. We don't have anything in that regard. Yeah. Okay. This is a daily chart. Underlying trend is strongly bullish. So what is going on right now? We have a gain of 21.44%. It hasn't reflected yet on this daily chart, but we can just pick up the projections we have here. We have only 142.98 as set up a projection. All the other ones have since been taken away. 107.24 has been blown through. 129.33 has been blown through with this spike in the pre-market session. So we have on the weekly chart. Let's see. This is weekly chart. Let's see. Extrapolation is what we have is that we may have a contraction of what's maybe a cyclical. Yeah, a contraction is what is probably expected with a low of around let's see 71.56 expected by maybe early July. There's no guarantee that that will be the case. So let's see now. No upper projections here. Everything here is now with downward projections. Given what has happened now, given the fact that it's now at $113. So yeah, everything is now a downward projection. No, sorry, they're still upper projections. Sorry, 138.84, 173, and 194.11. Those are upper projections on its weekly chart, but the daily and the weekly chart haven't responded to what's going on because they're only active when the market is open. And but 4 hour chart is always active as far as it is. It is not a holiday or a weekend. So it's let's see now. We have here no upper projections. We have a downward projection of 101.46. But regardless of all of that, we have an extrapolation to the upside expected to remain in place up till up till Wednesday, the 28th of May, with a peak of 118.99. That may not be the case. That may not be the case. Yeah. Yeah. We could try and see whether we can find other projections. Anything really ambitious? Let's look at the 3 hour chart. Okay, the 3 hour chart, let's say it's extrapolating higher prices. What do we have? You have a down projection of 99.94. Let's have a look at the 2 hour chart. On the 2 hour chart, we have, yeah, 99.98 as well. That's no upper, or no upper projection. We have extrapolations to the upside on the 2 hour chart. On the 1 hour charts, we have, yes, downward projections as well. Let's come all the way to the 15-minute chart. Okay, 113.69, right around where it is right now. So that's a projection. One, we're just a slight upper projection. 113.69. Let's look at the 5-minute chart. Okay, I can see some projections up there. We have, yeah, 117.79, 119.54, 120.61. You never know, we could still see some really radical ones on the 1 minute. Yeah, I think we have some, yeah, up projections, one down projections. We have 113.16, 112.86, 112.68. Upper projections 115.47, 116.33, 116.86. Not really that radical, not far off from where it's currently trading at right now. Yeah, let's see now. We could come all the way down to its 4 hour chart to see where it's what has happened so far, where it lies in its market grid. We can quickly have a glance. It's trading right outside of its price channel, so there's a good chance that it might come back into the price channel. And let's have a look if it's how things are relative to its market grid on the 4 hour chart. Yeah, okay. In the market grid, I think it's even though it has expanded, even though it's been expanding for some time now. Yeah, it's been okay today. I think only it's today. Yeah, it's been expanding, but I think it's still within its market grid. Yeah, 11113.20. Yeah, so it is. It's just, if you like, neutral. It's in between the resistance also on the support zones, indicating that maybe the contraction has already resumed. But that may well not be the case. The extrapolations are saying that it's going to continue to show strength up to Wednesday. What does it say? Up to Wednesday, up to Wednesday. Yeah, in the pre-market session of Wednesday, it's for today's trading session and that of Tuesday, it's extrapolated that it's going to keep showing strength. That is, we're talking about Tuesday the 27th and today the 23rd. Yeah, so, but there's no guarantee that that will be the case. It may well decline, or even yeah, it may well decline, or just remain neutral and just trade between 116.99 and 112.79. Yeah, it may well do that. Yeah, but it's good to have an idea of where it is trading. The upper line of its pricing is 123.78. The lower line is 106. So if it comes anywhere below 106, then good buying opportunity will continue to improve from there on. Anything towards 100, anything as a matter of fact, approaching 116, then is getting really strong, getting really getting really strong. Um, Implying that if you already hold a position, um, and you want to take profits, it is from such points that you may consider to start. You may consider doing so. Or even if you want to buy, if you start approaching such levels, it's a caution that maybe you shouldn't. Maybe you shouldn't. Yeah, but in any case, see what you make of LEU on the move, up 21.5% in this pre-market session. And thank you very much for watching this video.